What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna get brutally honest how I blew up my trading account, so stay tuned. Making $100,000. Characters I met along the way that stepped in and are a big part of my story. There, so stay tuned. So guys, this video isn't as upbeat as my other ones. I did say I'd always be honest kind of when I started this channel. I feel I'm completely transparent with my reviews. I'm completely honest with anything I either teach or talk about on YouTube or through my courses. I'd like to think it's 100% transparent and honest, and that's what I want to keep going with you guys. So this video is just how about I blew up my account. I feel I said that and it was hard to say, but I think it's necessary just in case anyone is in that position that you can talk about it. So I did blow up one of my trading accounts and I lost quite a bit of money in the account. And it kind of knocked me off trading a little bit. It took my confidence in trading. It made me feel like maybe I can't trade, even though I know that's not true. But I think it's really important that I come on and talk about it, because a lot of traders out there aren't being honest and aren't talking about either what's going on right in their life or wrong in their life, or they're using demos. And so it's with a heavy heart that I tell you, yes, I made a huge mistake when trading, and over the course of probably 3-4 weeks I destroyed my whole account, which took me the last number of years to build up. I don't really know how to explain it, what went wrong. Just I maybe wasn't as disciplined as I teach people in the Flash Forward course. I kind of threw all my rules out the window. When the market got really bad in the last number of days, it was just my trading style, and it just became a gambling mentality, which trading and stock trading in general should never be. It's not gambling. You study for a long time to become a profitable trader, and then it just shows where we are still human, and I still make mistakes. But it's going to happen. I mean, it doesn't matter what level you're on, whether you're really kind of beginner, you're going to damage your account, or it just shows you when you're an advanced trader and you teach and kind of educate and coach and mentor people around the world and trade, and you can still make mistakes yourself. After kind of assessing the situation, whether I wanted to speak about this online, I came to the conclusion that it doesn't mean I'm a bad trader, it doesn't mean I'm a bad teacher or mentor. It just means I'm human, and I made errors over 3 or 4 weeks that cost me my trading account. It's a hard one, guys. I'm not going to tell you lies. It's a hard pill to swallow, but it's more so that I want to encourage people that yes, you're going to get knocked back. Yes, every trading day is not going to be great, and we already know that going into the business. It's a high stressful business. We do make a lot of mistakes, and that happens, and that's okay. So it's to encourage anybody, if you've done this, just keep your head up, go back to the drawing board, kind of educate again. Like, you're always going to be learning, and don't think because you've done a few courses that you're the shit and you know everything. I don't know everything, and I'm still learning every day as well. But to kind of reassess the situation, to go back and think, you will get your head above water again. These hard times have not come to stay, they have come to pass. So just keep working towards and keep studying, be proud, and don't let anything knock you back like this. That's all I wanted to really talk about in the video. This is not the end of me, by no means. I do still have one trading account left. I am going to get that other account back, and I'm going to be back in the full swing of things with trading. I'm human. What can I say? I'd rather talk about this to you guys and be 100% honest than hide the fact that I didn't lose my account and not be honest. This video is probably going to do me damage, but it's okay because I'm being honest, and that's that was my brand all along, that I wanted to be honest with you guys, to teach you in the right way, which I feel I do educate people in the right way. I think my strategy and my success has been in the flash forward course, but I just threw all that out the window and went at it with the wrong mindset, the wrong attitude, and ego got in the way. So I'm going to go back at it again. This is not the end of me. I want to thank you all so much for your support. It's been a hard video, but if you did watch it, please hit like and subscribe. Again, if you have any questions, please let me know. I'm always happy to help. Hopefully next video I'm a bit more upbeat. Once again, guys, good night and God bless.